Biking safety is an important consideration for cyclists. To ensure the safety of cyclists, there are several measures that can be taken. One of the most important measures is to ensure that cyclists have an eye on their back. This technology can be used to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and other obstacles that may be in the cyclist's path. This can be achieved through the use of radar sensing technology. Radar sensing can detect objects up to 100 meters away and provide a 180-degree field of view. It is critical to have a low false alarm rate in radar sensing technology. This will help to ensure that cyclists are not alerted to potential hazards that do not exist. Finally, it is important to ensure that the radar sensing technology is suitable for any road condition. This ensures that cyclists are alerted to potential hazards in all circumstances. Asuka specializes in providing radar sensing technology for biking safety. Asuka offers ODM/customization services to ensure that the technology is tailored to the specific needs of the cyclist.